Ever pondered over the science behind those bulging biceps or toned abs? Well, the secret lies in a fascinating process known as muscle growth, or, in scientific terms, hypertrophy. This isn't just about lifting heavy weights or consuming protein shakes, it's a complex interplay between resistance training and nutrition, a delicate balance that results in the development of stronger, larger muscles. So, how does this work? Imagine your muscles as a construction site. The resistance training acts like the demolition crew, breaking down old, weaker structures. Meanwhile, your nutrition is the construction crew, building up newer, stronger structures. This is the essence of muscle growth, a continuous cycle of breakdown and repair, leading to the development of muscles that are bigger and stronger than before. Intrigued? Stick around if you want to understand the fascinating process behind muscle development. Let's dive into the microscopic world that resides within your muscles. Here, we find a complex structure composed of individual muscle fibers. These fibers are not solitary entities, but rather they are made up of myofibrils. Imagine myofibrils as long, thread-like structures that are the workhorses of muscle contractions, but we can delve even deeper. Within these myofibrils are sarcomeres, the very basic functional units of muscle. Picture them as the tiny engines that power every contraction. It's quite a marvel, isn't it? Now, when you engage in resistance training, the stress you place on your muscles isn't just felt at the macro level. It initiates a chain of events in this microscopic world. The sarcomeres experience stress, and the myofibrils adapt to accommodate this tension. So the journey of muscle growth starts right here, at the tiniest units of our muscles. Ever wondered why your muscles ache after an intense workout? Let's find out. The main catalyst of muscle growth is mechanical tension. This tension is generated when your muscles resist force. Think of lifting weights using resistance bands or performing body weight exercises. Each time your muscles contract, the basic functional units within them, called sarcomeres, experience minute tears. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural and necessary part of muscle growth. These microtears are what we commonly refer to as muscle damage. Now, don't be put off by the word damage. It's not a bad thing. In fact, it's quite the opposite. This damage signals your body to initiate a repair process, which ultimately leads to muscle growth. So when you feel that familiar post-workout burn, remember, it's your body's way of telling you that you're getting stronger. So those post-workout aches are actually a sign of your muscles getting stronger. Protein shakes after workouts, ever wondered why they are so important? Well, let's delve into the fascinating process of protein synthesis and hypertrophy. When your muscles undergo microtears from resistance training, satellite cells, these tiny cells on the periphery of muscle fibers, spring into action. They fuse with the damaged muscle fibers, providing additional nuclei that aid in protein synthesis. Now, protein synthesis is where the magic happens. This is the biological process where cells build proteins. In the context of muscle growth, the increased mechanical tension from your workout triggers greater protein synthesis within your muscle fibers. This leads to myofibrillar hypertrophy, or in simpler terms, the enlargement of individual muscle fibers due to an increase in contractile proteins like actin and myosin. But the process doesn't stop there. Nutrients, particularly amino acids, signal these pathways, promoting protein synthesis. Similarly, anabolic hormones like testosterone, insulin, and growth hormone contribute to muscle growth by encouraging protein synthesis and inhibiting protein breakdown. So next time you gulp down that protein shake, remember you are fueling your muscle growth. Working out is not just about how much you lift, but also about how you lift. Progressive overload is an essential principle in muscle growth. Think of it as continually turning up the dial on your workouts. As your body adapts to a certain level of resistance, it's important to gradually increase the load to keep stimulating muscle growth. This constant challenge ensures the muscle fibers experience enough mechanical tension to trigger the hypertrophic response. But let's not forget about recovery and adaptation. After the workout, your body needs time to repair and rebuild muscle tissues. This rest between workouts is when the magic happens. Your muscles adapt to the demands you've placed on them, leading to increased strength and size. So while you're pushing your limits during your workouts, also remember to give your body the rest it needs to bounce back stronger. Remember, muscle growth is a combination of effort, nutrition, and rest. So train smart, eat right, and don't forget to rest.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.